Hey everybody, it's Jen from Jen Plans, and I just have a quick video to share with you how I transfer over stickers from one year to the next. This is the back of the teacher lesson planner, and you can probably see that I only used a couple of stickers. I have a fear of like the stickers running out, which is silly because there are so many, and even if you use them all, like that's what they're there for. So I have made a resolution to use them more this year. So I'm gonna cut them out of the teacher lesson planner, cut them down a little bit, and then put them in the new one for next year. So the first thing that I do when I'm transferring stickers, or really any pages, you could do this with any page if you're careful, I use little craft scissors. These are Cutter Bee. I linked them in the description of the video. These are my favorite craft scissors. I'm gonna use them to snip out the pages. So I go from, like, you could do it from this side. I do it from this side. I don't know why, it's just personal preference, but I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see what it looks like. And I already did this one. I pull the page like, you could do it either way. I pull it this way, and then I just slip the pointy end in and snip out. And I just do it right along the coil. And then eventually the pages will just lift right out, and then you can cut the sheets down further. So I forgot where I landed, but you can tell they eventually just lift out. And could you tear them out? Yes, but I have found that if you try and tear them out, they rip a little bit more. And you could rip the stickers, which I'm trying to avoid. Oops, did I not get that one all the way? Maybe I didn't get that one all the way. Oh, this works too. Oh, they ripped anyway, see? So you could just as easily do it this way. Okay, so I just did that all of the 10 different ways that you can. But see how they lift out really nicely? If you cut them well, they shouldn't rip all that much. And so, you know, really we're not keeping this anyway, but it just makes it easier to take out without risking tearing into some of those sheets. So I'll clean that up in a minute. So then I move on to the Fiskars cutter, which for a million years I thought was Friskers, but it's not, it's Fiskars. And I love this because even though it doesn't cut a lot of sheets at a time, I feel like I use this for so many things, mostly planner stuff, but also just crafting in general. Okay, so I'm gonna take the first sheet, and I always cut off the spiral part first, so it's so easy, you just line it up. I linked this in the description of the video as well. And then I'm also going to, I could probably, for the teacher lesson planner, I could probably just tuck these into maybe I'll do that, I don't know. I was gonna cut it in half this way so that I could stick them in my life planner if I wanna use them, but I know I have plenty of stuff in there. I don't really do a ton of planning in the teacher lesson planner weekly spread. I use the other parts of the teacher lesson planner, but undecided. I don't know, I think I'll cut them down because then I can do either. So now they're just like standard sticker sheet sizes that you can tuck into any of the pockets, the bigger ones or the smaller. This one is a little goofy, like I can't cut straight across, so I'm gonna cut this off first, and then I'll probably just trim this one down. Maybe I'll just, you know what, I'm gonna stick this one like this in the pocket of the teacher planner because I don't think I'd use this one in the regular planner. And then this one, I don't know, looks like an easy cut here. I love these. And I really love these. Actually, I love everything. I love all of it. So that's it. So now I have all of these sticker sheets, especially these, which I did not use one single one of, that I can put either into my new teacher lesson planner for next year, which if you want to see a review of the whole new teacher lesson planner, that's also linked in the description of the video along with the teacher planner itself. But now I can use these and I don't have to flip back and forth and save the old one. So just a quick, I don't know, I do this kind of at the end of every year. Not always with my life planner, but I do it with like notebooks if I haven't used the stickers in those. And I save them because I don't know, I like having the functional ones. And I have made a resolution to use more this year. So now they will all fit really nicely in the pocket of any planner. Thanks for watching.